What's up guys, I hope you're enjoying the previous video. That's the Hen 2.1.7 that's been released for 6.72. But guys, I want to cover two things in this video. Number one, we're going to talk about the backstory to Hen 2.1.7, and the second thing is I want to talk about the jailbreak, the exploit, and why some people are having a lot of issues while the others are not. And we're going to talk about that too. It's going to be a short video. I'm going to wrap it up real quick. It's just for people who wants to get some detailed information about Hen 2.1.7. Okay, well guys, I don't want to get into all the namings and stuff like that, but you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourself. But apparently the person who released it is not having the great reputation in Twitter or in the community. Like for example, is a thief and a faker, good luck. And if you look someplace else, this guy is a fraud stealing people's works. Now this has been going on for quite some time. If you look back here in 2018, guys, I just wanted to let you know there's a phony developer going around stealing people's works. Now this is a reputation this person has. However, if you look into this one, Al Asif as well commented saying, please quit spamming the pull request. This is what he was working on, for example, with broken patches that are already complete, working on other pull requests. So apparently this person who just released Hen 2.1.7 does not have the best reputation in the scene. However, he has been using some people's codes and then he has not been giving credit to it. Alright guys, and as you can see in Twitter right here, it does say where he actually released it, and he mentioned that spoofing to 8.0 is mentioned. And there was one other thing that he actually fixed, which is the update offset.h, but however, let's not get too much in detail with the technicalities. But yes guys, I just want to let you know that, I'm just someone who's helping you guys with, showing you what it is. I'm not the coder, I'm not the developer, but I'm just someone who's helping you be updated with what's happening and giving you tutorials and testings from my point of view so you guys can benefit from it. But I want to make sure I give the credits to the right people in the right way, because I don't want it to be in the wrong way. So that's why I'm dropping this video guys, just to let you know about what's happening here. However, I did speak to some devs about this, and I do see the Hen 2.1.7 is actually perfectly safe, and it is being hosted by someone that is pretty safe. The Wolf Games is actually very trustworthy person. You don't have to worry about it. So guys, I also want to add Hen 2.1.7 does not make a huge difference from Hen 2.1.3. It's just a bunch of false claims that it has been fixed on multiple different levels, which has already been dealt with. But not a problem. There are some very minute changes which is not going to affect your stability or any of that stuff. It's just going to go ahead and change the spoofing and one little code that has been changed. But that's about it guys, not a big difference, but you can still go ahead and try it out. If it was harmful, if it was anything that was not good for you, I would have pulled my previous video instantly. That's about it guys. And guys, regarding the whole jailbreak and the exploit, I just want to make something really clear here. So the exploit is not 100% stable yet. I'm pretty sure everyone knows that for 6.72. The reason there's a lot of difference of different people experiencing different ways, here's a really important point to note. So guys, it's all about how the exploit loads up. We will not be able to say for sure if the exploit loaded 100% right. Even though it might not have loaded 100% right, it still looked like it did load. And that's when you have kernel panics and you have issues with your games. Well, this is why some people have different issues, where sometimes it might be loaded for 10 hours and not a problem, while another person might have an exploit or a kernel panic the next 10 minutes. However guys, what I would suggest, do try the jailbreaking tips I've told you about. I totally like how Lethal has all his versions out and still available. It's just in different links. So guys, go back and try which one works for you. If Hen is not really working for you the best way it possibly can, go for MIRA instead and try out MIRA. And I keep hearing version 5 of Lethal's website works really well for a lot of people. So guys, go ahead and try that out. And as I mentioned, Lethal has all the versions out and you can go and check it out at any point of time, unlike the other versions that keeps updating and you're always stuck with the latest version. If you are having a flawless experience in one of them, I would suggest you to stay there until we try out a new one that's out, that's more stable, that's more updated, and that's more better. Alright, so that's what I want to quickly share about the jailbreaking tip as well guys. I hope you enjoyed my videos. You have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next video.